The Nike Sabrina 3 What The tells a bolder, more expressive story by referencing previous colorways, much like a visual archive. This Sabrina 3 blends several previous Sabrina colorways into a split design that feels deliberate rather than disorganized, as opposed to sticking to a single motif. Textures blend together, pastels and neons collide, and contrast propels the style ahead. The conflicting lacing choices, flip-tongue graphics, and alternating outsoles give individuality without sacrificing cohesiveness. It points in the direction of celebration, taking the place of moderation. This method reflects the evolution of what the thoughts in terms of design. The more recent versions feel more carefully planned and controlled than the earlier, disorganized collages. A more comprehensive approach is suggested by this pair. Audacious expression that is honed through structure. Pairs maintain their court-focused traction and responsive cushioning. Quick cuts, balance, and continuous movement are supported by the low-profile configuration. This is designed for serious play despite its flamboyant exterior.